Hey guys, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of content coming out showing different types of folding mobility scooters, portable mobility scooters, heavy duty scooters, folding power wheelchairs, heavy duty power wheelchairs, lift chairs. Also, if you would like a physical catalog that you can hold in your hands, we have that too. At the top of our website, there's an area where you can request one. Just fill out your information, or you can give us a call and you can request one over the phone. Once it's submitted, it takes about 10 business days or less to get to you. Now let's get into it, and we're going to show you this really cool scooter called the Explorer by eFOLDi. The scooter is really unique. It has a really compact design, has a low center of gravity, and it's actually a recreational scooter. It's unlike anything on the market today, and it folds and unfolds through a patented design that you're not going to find anywhere else. So let's show you how to actually unfold it. So first step is, this is a handlebar. You can wheel it like this. You can wheel it like a piece of luggage behind you. And then you might wonder why these wheels are here. These wheels are here in case you needed to put the scooter behind like a couch, for example. You can wheel it like that, as opposed to, picking it up and kind of putting it behind a couch. So this is what it looks like when it's compact and folded. So in order to unfold the scooter, you'll see there's two buttons right here, or two levers. And if you press them in, you can lift to this position. This is the first position. Hold it, go to that position. So this is the second position. That first position, we'll show you, there's a reason for that, and we'll show you that here shortly. The tiller is actually connected by a magnet. So if you put your hands here and use your thumbs to press away, it will release from the magnet. The magnet is actually right here, and it connects to here. After that, you'll see there is this little release. You have to press that so it comes out. And then when you do that, you take the whole front half portion of the scooter and just fold it over like that. So from here, there's another magnet that's securing the wheel right here. You have to press this away like that, and it comes away. And then you want to turn the wheel like that. You can't turn it this way. This fender's for the back of the wheel. You have to turn it this way. And then the tiller comes up like that. And you can see it locks into place right here. Very last step is you just pull up the seat back. And now you've unfolded the scooter. There are foot pegs right here, so what you're putting your feet on. And you're ready to go. Now, a couple features about the scooter. It does support up to 265 pounds of weight. It has a 14-mile battery range. It is also airline approved. Has a top speed of 8 miles per hour, and this is a lithium-ion battery with this. Another unique feature about the scooter is it has a suspension, and it's actually a 4-spring suspension that is on the seat. So you can see a spring here, there's a spring here, and there's 2 on the other side. And it actually helps a lot. You really absorb bumps well with this. There's a storage pouch on the back. It's a pretty decent size. Put some belongings in here. Comes with 2 sets of keys. So this is the set of keys you would use to take the battery out. You're going to need to take it out when you are flying on an airline and take it on with you. And then here's the keys to the actual scooter itself. So you can store some belongings in here. As far as the battery, so when you're flying on an airline, as I said previously, they're going to make you remove the battery. You turn the key, it pops right out. So this is the battery, has a nice handle, has a USB charging port right here. This is how you actually charge it. So you can charge it on the scooter, or you can charge it off the scooter. This USB charging port's great. You want to charge your cell phone. Here's the connector that connects to the scooter inside here. So once those are connected, the battery's plugged in. So I actually have to push it in like that and then take the battery out, and it's locked into place. There's also a few accessories, which I will show you here. So the first one is that might not be enough storage for you. And you can get a backpack that fits on the scooter, and it fits right on the back. It slides right on here like that. So you have this additional storage. It's pretty big. It's like a size of like a backpack you might have for school. Fits on there easily. You can easily take it off if you're going shopping, bring it inside with you. You can also get this optional seat cushion, which has handles here. Now this is padded, but if you want extra cushioning, this makes a big difference on top of the spring suspension. So I would recommend getting that if you want the smoothest ride possible. Some of the features, this is where your keys go. It is a twist grip throttle. It's only on the right side. If you're left-handed and you want a left side, unfortunately, there's not a way to switch it at this time. So it has to be on the right side. This is the only part that you're actually turning to accelerate. You don't turn the whole handle, just this part. This is your speed control. So right now it is on the number 1, and when you fully accelerate, it's around 4 miles per hour. The circle, that's reverse. And then the 2 is your top speed. And when you accelerate, it gets to 8 miles per hour. This is the hazard button, or hazard lights, which actually flash on the sides here. And then it flashes on the back as well. Left and right blinkers, which blink on either the handlebars or on the back. You have a horn, and there is a headlight. Another thing to note is a lot of scooters have electromagnetic brakes, meaning that when you let off of the throttle, the brakes will engage automatically. That is not the case with the scooter. It is a hand brake. But people love the scooter because it doesn't seem like a medical device. That's why a lot of people are attracted to it. We even have some customers who are young that purchase this. There's also foot peg extenders that extend out. So if you want them to extend out, like you're a taller rider like myself, I'm pretty tall. If I put my legs up like this, it's going to get in the way. So it's something you need to understand and see if you're okay with that. Let's take this for a ride and show you more about the scooter. It's really well thought out design with this the spring suspension. It absorbs bumps really well. I don't know of any other mobility device that has the springs on the seat like this, as opposed to the actual wheels. Because of that spring suspension, there's a little tiny lip on the curb right here. So there is a bigger part of the curb, then there's a little lip right here, right? So when I go up onto this lip, if I didn't have this spring suspension on the seat, I would feel this a lot. You don't really feel it much. It really absorbs that well. eFOLDi originally started in the UK, been around for about 8 years, and they have 2 folding mobility scooters. This is the Explorer, obviously. This is the first one they came out with. And then they also came out with one a few years ago called the Lite. The Lite is FDA approved, so it is a medical device. Both scooters are airline approved. I would say that folding it and unfolding it is something that you need to get used to. So typically most scooters, like right now, I'm not using the throttle at all, and I'm just drifting. But most medical devices, the electromagnetic brakes will engage, so you wouldn't be able to go downhill like that. This is your battery gauge too. Another thing I forgot to mention. You'll know when it's time to recharge. Once this number gets lower, I think when it gets to about 21, that's when it's time to recharge. It's in your manual though, that comes with the scooter. Another thing that's really nice about the eFOLDi brand is they are currently being distributed by Aficum, which is an awesome brand. So Aficum warehouses their products right now in the US. And when an order comes through, it's shipping directly from their warehouse in Daytona Beach, Florida. So these ship fast. And another thing is that the warranty on this is also excellent. It's 1 year on parts. And quite frankly, these things are really durable. You rarely have to even utilize that. They're just really well made. So 37 pounds, once the battery's removed, 8 miles per hour top speed, and a 14-mile battery range. Super tight turning radius. Easy to make turns. And when I say there's nothing else on the market, there literally is nothing else on the market like this. Now, if you are interested to learn more about the Explorer, you can visit our website at electricwheelchairsusa.com, or you can give us a call. We have agents standing by. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444. We would love to earn your business. And if you're looking for a phenomenal deal on the scooter, call us. We will give you a great deal. So thanks a lot for watching, and let us know if we can help you.